there! Today I show you the D harmonic minor scale and its formula because the last weeks we learned the Malagena and scales and formulas, and today I want to spice it up. I love the harmonic minor scale because I think they have a little Spanish flavor, and maybe you figure it out. My passion is the Spanish melody, Spanish style, maybe because of my Spanish roots, and my new passion, like you see. This ukulele is a little bit bigger, so I switched to the baritone. But anyway, now I'm gonna teach you the D harmonic minor scale and the formula, and you can use it with any key as long as you use this formula. Hold on, I change a little bit the view so you can see my hand. So we start on the second fret with the D, so this is the root. Then we have E, which is a tone, then F, it's a semitone, then G, tone, A, tone, C, B, semitone, then 1.5, which is 3 frets, C sharp, D. D is a semitone. So semitone, then we have this 1.5 tone, C sharp, B, which is the semitone, A. Come on, now I'm a little bit confused. We were with A, so G, F, E, D. So the formula is root, tone, semitone, tone, tone, semitone, 1.5 tone, semitone. Root, tone, semitone, tone, tone, semitone, 1.5 tone, semitone. And the best way to play it is with alternate finger picking. It's like index middle or index middle index. It's whatever which direction you prefer. So again, D, E, F, G, A, B, C sharp, D. D, C sharp, B, A, G, F, E, D. I can do, if you want, in the next time a alternate fingerpicking tutorial, but so far I wanted to teach you the harmonic minor scale, and it's also the same with the baritone. Wait, I can show it to you with the baritone. Accidentally, I have one around the corner. So, a little switch, and the funniest thing, it's a snail too. So the tiny tenor, what I was playing was a snail, and now I have the big sister, another snail, and I love the beautiful sound of them. So, whoopsie, check it out. So you can see my finger. In this case, it's a harmonic minor scale. So we start with A minor, B, C, D, E, F, G sharp, A. I love the beautiful sound of the baritone ukulele. So as long as you play a linear tuned ukulele, which means in low G, like I always do in my whole tutorials, you can play it pretty the same on the baritone ukulele. I have my new passion. Why shouldn't I start my ukulele tutorials not for baritone, what I am learning at the moment too? And so we can adjust it to both for tenor or for the regular ukulele and baritone. Good idea. I have to do it. So see you to the next tutorial. If there are any further questions, feel free to ask and contact me, and PDFs in the link below or gonna be my Patreon. Go to my Kochi account and just download only the PDFs. Whatever you prefer. Love you. See you soon. Doña.